Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. The only directions to note are that whatever the back of the box directs you to use, you have to add an additional egg. Replace the water with milk, same amounts. Replace the oil with melted butter. Double the amount. Cook with the same directions that are printed on the box.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Most bakeries do not bake from scratch. In fact, I once worked at a bakery that actually claimed to be a scratch bakery, but all their cakes started with a Duncan Hines cake mix, the same kind you buy in the grocery store.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Too few eggs will yield a cake that is overly compact and doesn't hold together well. Too many eggs can leave you with a spongy or rubbery mess. But egg volumes can be manipulated to lighten the texture of a cake or add strength to a cake that needs to be carved.
Take our lead.
Bump up the flavor by adding 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Making a spice cake? Add a little rum, almond, or orange extract as well. If you're making a white or yellow cake, add a teaspoon or 2 of fresh lemon or lime zest, or a bit of juice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.